I use Samba quite a bit. Most often I'm working with IP addresses, but there are certain instances where I must set up a network share that is accessible via name. After all, I don't want to have to instruct end users how to make that connection by opening their file manager and typing smb://192.168.1.208. Instead, I'd rather instruct them to open their file manager, go to the workgroup, and then look for the machine named Hive2. But how do you enable this functionality in Samba? Believe it or not, it's incredibly easy. With a couple of quick edits in your favorite text editor, mine being Nano, you can make it significantly easier for users to find Samba shares on your network. I'm going to demonstrate how this is done. I'll be doing so on Ubuntu Server 16.04. As networking is handled quite differently in Ubuntu 18.04, I'll be addressing that particular beast later on. In the meantime, let's make your trusty Xenial Xeris server Samba shares a bit more user-friendly. Open up a terminal window, or log into your Ubuntu server and issue the command sudo /nano /etc/samba/smb.conf. You'll find the entry workgroup equals workgroup. You may have already changed workgroup to reflect the workgroup used on your network. Either way, leave that as is. Under that line, add the following: netbios equals name, where name is the name you want to broadcast for the Samba server. Once you've done that, save and close the file. Restart Samba and nmbd with the commands sudo systemcontrol restart smbd, sudo systemcontrol restart nmbd. At this point, you should be able to open up a file manager on a machine other than your server and go to Entire Network Workgroup, where Workgroup is the name of your workgroup. And you should see the new name listed. And you thought this was going to be challenging. Every so often, there is an issue that can be resolved simply. If you have end users who can't seem to function when given IP addresses, make this change to your Samba configurations and make your life, and theirs, a bit more hassle-free.